Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here at SeaWorld in Orlando, Florida again. And today we're gonna go on a walrus experience. We're gonna meet the walruses. It's gonna be a ton of fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. All right, like I said, we're here in the good old SeaWorld of Orlando, one of my favorite places in all of Florida, actually. I wonder why. So being said, we are going to hang out with our walrus friend today, Slowpoke.
Absolutely, and Christine is having the day of her life because we're doing all the animal things, and that's why this is like 3 videos of the same. You see us wearing the same clothes.
Sorry.
Because we've already dined with sharks. Go back, check that video out. We've already fed the sea lions, and did the behind-the-scenes sea lion tour. That was a ton of fun, so go back and check that video out. And now we're doing walruses. It's gonna be so much fun.
I can't wait. Walruses are just these big old buddies who are all things awesome.
They got
and
whiskers.
Yeah, whiskers, and they got those long tongues. I can't wait to say hi. All right, so things we're going to go over to the encounter area and check in, just like you do for the majority of your experiences here at SeaWorld. So let's go. Also, not at all sponsored. I paid my green dollars to do this. How much does this cost?
She did pay.
Yeah.
So this one.
I'm getting rained on.
Great. So this one, for the 2 of us, taxes and fees and discounts and everything included, was about $160 for both of us. So like $80 a pop. Pretty pricey.
Yeah, and all that being said, the sea lion encounter that we did, where we got to actually had like a little quick show and then got to feed them a whole bucket of mackerel, was like $40 a pop. So recommend.
No, that was not $40. That was $70 a piece.
Oh, $70 a piece. Okay, for it. I don't know. I'll just give him the money. All right, there we go. All right, guys, so we're all checked in. Lewis is still winning the shot, so that's fine. But we are all checked in and give a call off at 4:30. But I'm excited because apparently we're meeting the icon, the legend herself, Miss Slowpoke. So there we go.
Miss Slowpoke?
Yeah, she's a lady.
Are you sure it's not Mr. Slowpoke?
I'm 99.5% positive it's Miss Slowpoke. Well, she's Slowpoke, but
let's fact check that.
I'm 99.5% positive, Lewis. All right, there we go. All right, guys, just like that, our tour was called. And yeah, we're gonna head on over to the sea. We're gonna head back to where we just were.
In the last video.
In the last video. Link down below.
Anyways, yeah, they did confirm that it is Miss Slowpoke. She is a female.
I thought I was like, you think I don't know my animal facts, Lewis?
All right.
So she's almost 50.
Yeah, the oldest living walrus in care, in captivity.
Captivity, yep. So let's go make some friends. I'm excited. Let's go. Hi.
Are we doing 2 and 1 on each side or both same side?
Yeah, we'll do the photo.
Okay.
Either way. Do you want to do framer and do 2 on
Oh,
each
sure.
side?
Okay.
Okay, you want me to go over there?
Yeah. You go over there. This is my better side.
Okay, stay there. Good girl. Perfect.
Hi. Hi.
Whistle. You heard me.
You can do it.
Yeah. Whistle. Okay. Beautiful.
So beautiful. Oh, those whiskers are so intense.
All right, do you want to come back on this?
Okay.
What?
Thank you.
Those whiskers are very intense.
Yeah, they are a really big sensory organ for all pinnipeds, but walruses use them quite often.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna feed her. So,
Oh my God.
kind of like I was explaining to those guys, this is a very natural behavior. We don't have to teach them to slurp up the food. That's kind of how they eat naturally.
Yeah.
We can also train our animals here to eat with just by opening your mouth, and we just kind of drop it in her mouth like this. But it's a lot more fun to do it.
Yeah.
Do the slurping. So, I'm gonna give you a fish, and you just put the fish right on her lips. Excuse us. She has a burp. Wow.
Such
And
a
if she
lady.
feels it, she'll just suck it up.
Okay.
You want to try that?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Ooh. Ah! So cool. Thank
It's
you.
like spaghetti.
Yes. You have better manners than some people I know. So that's awesome. Forget
You
me.
want to do that too?
Sure. Okay. Oh.
Excellent. What a good girl.
That's awesome. Thank you. So what is that?
These are clams. The orange,
Clams,
the orange
okay.
are clams. They're just like tree shells.
Okay.
It's a big part of their diet.
Yeah.
It's clams.
Yeah, nice. So I guess they eat them whole, like with the shells and everything in the wild?
They'll chew on it and then swallow the meat and spit out the shell.
Talent.
Yeah.
Talent.
They do not eat
That's
the,
awesome.
Yeah, they'll eat anything that they can find, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Awesome,
We'll
thank
come back
you.
and do a touch after down a little bit, but that's okay.
We can just touch her.
Yeah, you can touch her belly.
Oh.
That's her belly button.
Oh.
So she
Hi.
has some hair.
Oh, you're fun.
Sorry.
Slowpoke, thank you.
Just lay on my back and get fed fish all day.
I mean, that's the life, Slowpoke. I don't know what to tell you.
Very easy, very easy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're so precious.
Wave.
Okay.
All right.
She's waving. Baby, fine. Aww.
Wave. Okay.
That's so good.
You got some guys.
She is an icon. She is a legend. We love her. We're getting all kinds of friends today. Alright guys, so that was super
It's Seymour
awesome.
and Clyde. Rewind.
Oh, okay. So rerunning Gunner. Oh.
So when he was like a little younger man, he would actually just walk backwards.
Aw.
So I have to go check on Josh.
I will walk you guys out. You'll be
Bye,
right
Gunner.
back.
That's Gunner, and that's Rewind. That's fun. Alright, so that was super cute. Slowpoke is a legend. She's an icon, and we love her for it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and here's Lois with the breakfast about how to hang out with your girl Slowpoke. And for once, stop talking about me. Alright.
All right, guys, so here are your pro tips for Walrus Encounter here at SeaWorld. I would say number one is definitely make sure that you book your tickets online. And if you're concerned about the price, maybe play with the dates a little bit. They are cheaper on certain days as opposed to other days. Obviously, Saturdays tend to be the most expensive Saturday peak season. But if you kind of book off season, like August is usually the most affordable time. So play around with the dates and you'll find the best deal. Pro tip number two is make sure that when you arrive to your tour that you show up at least 15 minutes early. Check in with the desk there. All the animal tours here at SeaWorld do launch from the same place, so they're all meeting at the same place over by the tower. So you can see that throughout the entire park. It's super easy to find. And pro tip number three is keep in mind that you are meeting a celebrity on this tour. Miss Slowpoke is the oldest known walrus ever in existence. She is 47 years old. She also helped lend her voice to the Jurassic Park T-Rex. So
She's a
super
movie
exciting.
star.
Yeah, movie star. Super exciting. Anyways, that's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Really helps out. With that being said, we're out of here. We'll see you next weekend.
Bye.
Hey, guys. Welcome back to Fashion Week Here's
All right,
YouTube.
now go. Put those down.
I don't know. What do you got?
Sure.
All right, guys. So here are your pro tips for Walrus Encounter.
I'm going to recommend that maybe you turn it to where
Yeah.
it's like sideways, so even if it tips, it's not
Right,
going to hit your
yeah.
skin. Yeah.
I was thinking about that last time we had issues.
Yeah. All right, go ahead.
All right, guys. So here are
Well,
your
now it's twisted. Sorry. It just looks. Okay. That's. I don't know.
yeah.
All right. Go ahead.
All right, guys. So here are your pro tips for Walrus Encounter, and she also voiced one of the. She also helped lend her voice to the
Jurassic Park T-Rex.
to the T-Rex in Jurassic Park. She also helped